So this is video about our website. I'm going to talk about the home page. So this is the header section. We have all different things. When we place a cursor on any of these things, it hovers and it leads to a proper web page. When we click over that, um, so at the home page, at the end of this, we have a footer section. When we click on this top button, it leads to the top of our website like this. And then at the end, we also have the labels for our social media, and there's an email for the contact us option. And we also added a background picture to enhance the look of our website. So we added these three boxes about the description of our website. So it's who we are, value we live by, why you should work with us, and then when we places our cursor over it hovers and it shades out like this, and there's a hover. We use the transition for this.
I'm going to go through the jobs page with you, which is this position description for our website that we made. First, as you can see, we have the navigation bar menu and the logo in the header section that you will see consistent in every other page of our website, with the background color and the hover effects that if you click on it also, all of them, it will take you direct to their own pages. In the main section, we have three job descriptions layout. We also have the aside section here with 25% width. Here in the job application main section, we also have an apply button. As you can see, when you hover over it, it will change the color like a cool effect. And also when you click on it, it will take you direct to the apply page.
And I was responsible for making the job application form for our website. I began with the heading job application form, which was enclosed in a margin. Then the actual form began, where the user had to input various details, including the job reference number, given name, family name, etc. These fields are set in such a way that when you click on the label, it will show a transition and prompt you to enter text into the input into the field. And then next, the field set was general details: given name, family name, date of birth. The given name and family name had input types as text, whereas the date of birth had input type date. I can select from the drop down here. Then the gender field set came, where one can select from the buttons, male, female, and other. Next was the contact details, where I added similar fields: street address, suburb, state, postcode, email ID, as well as phone number. The phone number had a pattern, and the user can only add at least 8 and maximum 12 digits into this field. The email ID is in a specified format, whereas the state had a drop-down list which prompts the user to choose from the various states in Australia. The skill set had checkboxes, whereas the other skills or portion had a text area. When I clicked on other skills, it prompts me to enter text into the text area. Next was the apply and reset form button. The apply button took the input and sent it to the Mercury, and reset form selects the form and sets it to the default settings.
So this is the about page of our website. It contains some basic information of our group members. So this whole section is in a description list tag, and the terms and descriptions are both in the same line. I've added a picture of our group in a figure tag floated to the right with a simple dark border. Then I made a timetable using a table tag. I assigned classes to each table description tag based on the module, so that each module has a common background color. And this is a hyperlink to our group email. Finally, I've added an article tag that has sections consisting of short descriptions of each member with their names in H2 tags.
Yeah, I'm going to talk about the enhancement part of our website. To boost the user experiences, we have added several enhancements. Here, I have implemented the text shadow effect to make it more visible. Note that our website holds a common header and footer for every web page. Two key features of our website are that it has responsive web design and buttons. In this page, I have added key enhancements for each pages separately. In our home page, the description boxes have hover effects. In the position description, these apply button have hover transitions, and these will take the user straight to the job application form. Job application page contains transitions for the transition effects for the field. Some input boxes get bigger like this whenever someone clicks them. And also there is a apply button and the reset button. The reset button set the page to the default setting like this, and the buttons are also hover. Lastly, let me show you all how the responsive web design works here. If anyone resizes the browser like this, the website would be fully visible according to the size. Let me show you other pages. Even it can give a presentable view for devices like smaller resolution as well.